So, welcome back to the channel Tech with Nikthesh guys, and the host Nikthesh. So, in today's video guys, I'll be giving you a small tutorial how to transfer your iPhone data, specifically videos and photos, to your computers, or the exact opposite from your computer to your iPhone. This software is kind of an easy one rather than using your lightning cable to your computer, because using iTunes is a bit pain device, but this software is really optimized and you guys can use it from the latest and greatest iOS, from one of the most oldest, not the most, one of the oldest iOS software like iOS 10. So yeah, let's stop wasting any time and let's jump right in. So what software exactly we're using today? Well, weirdly enough, it's simple desktop transfer, and as you guys see from the name itself, it's super easy to use. So now, wait, let me just start recording, and yeah, now it's recording. So now I'm in OBS and you guys can see my desktop, and I'm not gonna lie, I really like this one, and this is one of the best wallpapers that I have had. So real quick, I'm gonna open desktop, simple transfer, simple transfer desktop, and I am gonna use the iPhone 5, and it's using iOS 10.3.5 or 10.3. I don't know, it will be right here. Come on, so I can't screen record on this old iOS device, but pretty sure enough, it's really easy. You guys do, okay, let me just so it's really easy. You guys need to click on the simple transfer here, and you guys need to connect on the same Wi-Fi. The phone and the computer should be in the same Wi-Fi. So now you guys can see from the OBS what connected. Now what you guys need to do is click on the iPhone and you will get a 4. I can't really, but yeah, you guys can see there's a 4-digit password. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this, choose 9, and now we're in access on the phone itself. So now you guys can see that I have a few documents inside of this phone, like this is my arts project documents, that which is not that big of a deal if I leak, but so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this thing to my computer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on it. Now I'm gonna click on download apps itself. Now it shows us like user, stars, video captures, and all this kind of stuff. And as you guys can see, select video format, compatibility, those kinds of stuff. And the red line is obviously for premium stuff that they actually charge in the simple desktop transfer. That's one way you guys can do, or you guys can click on the image name. You guys can see from here, you guys can download from here and see upgrade to premium. So you guys need to download on JPEG. So I'm going to download this file, and it's downloading little by little. And if I go to the exact file itself, so where is it? Okay, the dimensions, the metadata, don't know what it means. If I go to the files, let me really check real quick, captures, and there it is. There is the file. So let me just real quick transfer another one. Okay, so I'm gonna download file, and as you guys can see, the file is downloaded pretty easily, and it's wirelessly, like there's no connection, like there's no USB port there, so even if I took it, it's still usable. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what if you thought of it, guys. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll check you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later, and hope you guys enjoy.